post-prod, hindi pa tapos yung pelikula and everything. He was there, he was sitting with me watching the film.
Tsaka marami kang matutulog kasi every single time na pinapanood mo, ulit-ulit mo papanoorin, you learn something different.
Yeah,
every single time.
We realize si Billy, especially, at saka yung mom ko kasi ilang beses na rin niya napanood. Every time she watches it and every time he watches it now, parang, okay, I missed that.
Correct.
Yeah, so parang may mga mamimiss ka. So it's really nice to watch it over and
Over again.
Billy, how would you rate the performance of Nina?
Of course. So, I mean, hello, I'm the husband.
Bias
Of course, I will say the best, diba? But I'm so proud of her. She did wonderful. I mean, she was definitely guided by God in this film, and she was just a blessing to be on screen again. And it's just nakaka-proud bilang just watching her there. Nakaka-fan mode.
Yeah, we're each other's biggest fans. So, ayun, it's great that he's here to support. Pero hindi lang yun, yung the fact na nag-cameo siya, ibang klaseng suporta talaga yung binigay niya dito sa project na to.
Hiningi ko naman ito. I really wanted to play this. I really
Siya talaga
wanted.
nag-request.
Ako nag-request na. For me.
The film talks about a lot of issues about the environment.
Yes, actually it's very timely. Very timely and very relevant for today. Kasi one big thing is the environment. Syempre, after everything we've been experiencing din, global warming and all of that. So climate change. So it's important also to educate our viewers also when it comes to that. So this film, it attempts to do so, but in a very entertaining way. So sana may matutunan yung mga tao kapag napanood nila to. Sana may mauwi sila na mga lessons at saka syempre mga ngiti at the same time.
It's a very intelligent rom.
Yes.
Very Ha?
Yung halaman.
Yung halaman, saka siya. I think this was destiny. This was fate na talaga because naalala ko yung Christmas tree namin was bromeliads, which was bizarre. Pero ayun, she ended up actually doing a film Mia, and you'll find out why Brew is here.
Oo, napaka-importanting character lang talaga ni Brew sa pelikula. Very important.
Paano pa yung release ng mga aso?
Na mga
Mga
aso.
aso, pinasok namin.
Ay, oo,
Oo,
pinasok.
pinasok namin.
Once we found out it happened, pinasok talaga namin sila agad. Hindi dumating sa point na nadumyan sila or anything or na-affect sila. Talagang diniretso namin sila bago pa umabot kasi sa QC kami sa North. So, medyo matagal bago umabot sa amin. We were able to do something pa about it.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the concern now about animals?
I mean, but
As an animal lover,
Yeah.
so, I mean,
sad,
sobrang
really.
sakit talaga, masakit. I'm glad a lot of people got to evacuate, pero it's sad na yung mga animals na iwan. I mean, I guess kahit paano, marami kasi silang natulong when it comes to tourism. But in the same way, they shouldn't be there also unless may guarantee na in case of emergencies like that na matutulungan sila also. Kasi kawawa sila eh.
Hopefully one of these days may mapag-usapan at mailatag ng diretsyo para sa makatulong naman sa mga pet lovers like us or just animal lovers like a lot of people dito sa Pilipinas.
At the same time though, I mean nobody predicted. Nobody could have assumed that Taal would be active again like that, diba? We all did not see it coming. So the best thing we can do talaga is to really prepare for the worst all the time.
And also help while we're at it.
Yes.
Yes po.
Maliit lang naman ang role mo dito sa walang talent ko ang volunteer, di ba?
Of course. Wala. Bakit mo pa ititf eh? Asawa ko
Medyo
na nga
pa
dito.
indie film eh.
Yeah.
Siyempre.
It's something that I was actually really happy to do. Kailangan kasi mapanood nyo para maintindihan nyo kung bakit ginanampanan.
I feel like it's nice that it was him. If it was anybody else, iba talaga yung effect.
I really wanted to ask about the issue. If you're going content issue about the masses.
What mask? Wait, I don't
Wala
know.
tayong kinalaman sa mga current events.
Oo, pagdating ng current events, parang wala kaming kinalaman dito.
sa mga showbiz na. Ano yun? What's that?
Nasa business kasi, yung mas kasi na sa kanya parang primera klase, it's quite expensive. Hindi siya disposable. So parang
Hindi siya disposable.
it's
Well, maybe that's why. Because I read also na the masks na binibenta in like drugstores and everything, may up to 14 days lang ata siya. So, I mean, if that's the case na hindi na siya matapon, it's also better for the environment, diba? So, I mean, if medyo mataas yung presyo, I guess it's worth it.
Ang mask lang kasi na alam ko mask rider. So, hanggang doon lang ako.
Grabe.
Sorry, lumang tao na ako.
Grabe, di ko na naabutan yan.
Huwag ka na maingay. Mia.
Pero Billy, I think the point of Luis also is that you don't tell everyone about what you do for other people.
Yes.
Of course.
Maybe he could have helped hindi naman host
No.
thing.
You know, Luis,
For the sale of...
yeah, you know, I mean, personally, sa mga kilala namin, mga kaibigan namin, hindi sila ma-post na tao. You
And
know,
they're all generous, very
it's
generous.
all about helping.
Yes.
Really.
I mean,
Genuinely.
even kami naman, we've done our part also to help. But like, we don't really post about it
Yeah.
or anything.
There's no need kasi
Yeah.
para
Although, I
or
mean,
whatnot.
may mga others kasi who are posting and hindi din naman masama because it's also encouraging others
Yes.
to help as well and calling other people to action. So wala rin namang masama sa pag-post siguro.
Kaysa magreklamo na lang siguro tayo, tumulong na lang tayo.
Yes,
It's probably
yes,
better.
yes.
Kaysa mag-bash-bash pa tayo ng tao. It's a crucial period in people's lives. Kasi medyo delicate na tayo, delikado na tayo. So, let's pray and let's act kaysa magsalita. Let's just act.
Ganda rin yung hanap sa'yo Mia.
Oo, maraming mga pangalang Mia eh.
Yeah, akalain mo dami pala, di ba?
Correct. Pero nag-iisang Mia lang ako sa puso.
Ay!
Leheke! Hindi po ganong rom-com ang makikita niyo.
Oh, hindi ka na cheesy.
Hindi ka ganong corny.
Mas magaling yung writing.
Mas
dito.
magaling ko yun. Mas matalino kaysa dito.
Dito sa nag-discover ko namin today, she's very happy na you're on your way to help her.
Thank you. Wow.
After countless days of nagging and sermon.
No, I feel much better. Since I've lost all the weight and everything, it's nakakatawa lang because hindi talaga kontento ang mga tao sa weight ko. Parang weight ko, weight ng lahat. So, I'm healthy and I'm happy. Yun ang pinaka-importante. So,
Ilang
yeah.
pounds po?
Right now, I don't
Hindi ka na nag-weigh.
I don't weigh myself, pero siguro I'm like 160 something.
Kasi si Billy, hindi siya nag-gym, so hindi siya naglilift ng weight. So hindi siya nag-gain ng muscle. But at the same time, lahat kasi ng jobs niya requires dancing.
And standing
yeah,
for hours.
so especially kasi, once a week lang siya nasa ASAP, pero all the days that he's not on ASAP, he books mga shows and mga corporate,
Tsaka, she
so
always...
he dances pa rin.
she always, she bought me a motorcycle. So yun, nakakadagdag ng gym yun. And she always tells me to work out. And she always keeps me on my toes about health and stuff. Talaga, ito, oo, nakakahiya din naman eh. Pero sometimes sinasabi ko sa kanya,
Pero
sandali lang.
kasi kung yung
Matanda
health
na
niya
ako.
before, kasi before talaga was really poor because of all the bad habits also. Na he only realized now. Then, kasi nararamdaman niya na, ganito pala yung pakiramdam na after quitting smoking for so many years,
Nakahiga
yung
ka na.
ang luwag na ng pag-breathe niya and everything. So,
Tsaka pink ang lips, no?
yeah.
Ibig sabihin, healthy ka lang.
Healthy ba pag pink ang lips? Hiniram ko lang yung lipstick. Yun lang yun. Pasensya na siya.
We'll bring this home.
Ayun, si Bro.
Si Bro, wag muna,
Ang daming gusto
importante yan.
mag-uwi kay Bro.
Hindi, i-follow up lang naman kasi sobrang tahimik ni Nadine at saka Jones.
Kasi wala sila dito.
Napunta naman sa akin, galing nga sa
sila
kanya.
dito eh. Kaya tahimik sila. Pero hindi ho, nagsastories kaya sila.
Kung mas tahimik sila, mas tahimik ako. Wala akong alam. Mas alam ko si Bro, yung buhay nila. Yun lang.
Tatawan.
Panoorin mo kahit
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks again.